I just realized that I have finished filming the video and I wasn't able to use this headband. Hey, hi, hello, it's Coco. So welcome to another video, no, it's not a vlog, it's a makeup tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Yes, this is one of the most requested videos. Sa school kasi, every time na may mga kasulubong schoolmate ko na babae or kung sino man, sabihin eh, ganda ng kilay ko, gano'n. And that happens a lot, really. So ito nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko inaayos ang kilay ko on the daily. Yeah, except kapag dito lang ako sa bahay or kapag hindi ko talaga feel magkilay, gano'n. Well, actually, kahit late na ako, nagkikilay pa rin ako eh. Because you know, kilay is life. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. First, I'm going to brush my eyebrows using a spoolie brush to find the shape. Next, you could either shave or pluck the excess hairs from your eyebrows to make it clean. In my case, I prefer plucking it so it will take longer for the hairs to grow back. Now, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Doer Shaper and the eyebrow pencil from USHAS. Using the USHAS eyebrow pencil, I'm going to be applying that lightly on my eyebrows. And as you could see, I started by extending the tail of my brow and then filling in the sparse area. Apply the product only up until the arch. You do not put on too much product on your eyebrows. Then just do the same thing to the other side. With the Maybelline Fashion Brow Doer Shaper, use the sponge part to apply the product. Do this with a very light hand to avoid making your eyebrows look like linta. Blend the product using an angled brush. Use a very light hand when blending the front part of your eyebrows so we could get that fade effect. And all you gotta do is to blend, blend, blend. You have to freaking blend really well. Back to our spoolie brush, I'm going to be using that to blend the product even more. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation to clean the edges of my brows. You may also use a concealer for this, but I just prefer to use a foundation to make my brows look more natural. I started at the bottom of my arch, then down to the tail. Be patient in doing this part because it really takes a lot of time to define the shape of your brows. Now blend the foundation really well. And yes girl, more blending is going on here. Blend, 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 and blend, and blend, and more blending. Because blending is one of the most important thing when doing makeup. We are going to set that with some loose powder, and the powder that I'm going to be using is from NICHIDO. As you can see, I'm using a patting motion instead of sweeping it, so it won't wipe away the foundation I used. Since I have makeup on, I'm going to set my whole face with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and I'm just fanning my face to let it dry. And now we're done! Eyebrows on fleek! I hope you darlings enjoyed this video, and of course, please do give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click on the bell button to get notified. See you darlings on my next video. Bye!